Do you love traveling and exploring new beautiful places? Are you an adventure seeker, driven by adrenaline rush? Are photography and filming one of your passions? If the answer is yes to at least one of these questions, then this channel is definitely for you. Hi, my name is Martin and welcome to my channel Martinello Adventures. We are all about photography, filming, traveling and fun here. In this channel, I will show you some of the most beautiful and unique places that I visit during my own travels. I will also provide you with some useful tips and tricks that could help you plan and organize your vacations and holidays. Plus, we'll be making a lot of tutorials about photography and filming, so hopefully that new knowledge could be beneficial to you and could help you develop and improve your camera skills. So next time you could shoot like a pro on your dream holiday. I hope that sounds good to you. If you have any questions and would like to contribute to our community, then please don't hesitate to leave them down in the comments below and we will respond. And please don't forget to subscribe to our new channel. It's absolutely free and means a lot to us. Thank you so much and see you soon. Ciao!